ওটা দিছে কেন? তুমি দিছো? তুমি দিছো?
It's the victory of the people of Bangladesh, and we are very confident this democratic transition will ensure a free land again where every citizen's rights and freedoms will be protected, and together we're going to ensure inclusive development, human rights, rule of law, and freedom of expression for Bangladesh to complete this democratic transition through free, fair, and credible elections that everyone anticipated. And we want that this will stand as the empowerment of the people. Thank you.
Very much expected result, and the responsibilities, the burden of responsibilities has been increased 1,000 times. So we hope and pray to God that we will be able to fulfill the aspiration of the people and the sky-high expectation of this country. The people of the country, they know this is very much inclusive election. And if you like to mention the exclusion of Awami League and etc., people have rejected through the mass uprising in last August 2024, and they are being prosecuted. And also the investigation is going on as against the political party, Awami League. This is under process. I hope the prosecution will file the allegations against the Awami League as party.
আল্লাহ যারার মাধ্যমে ক্ষমতা হস্তান্তর করবা তারার মাধ্যমে যেন দেশের কোনো মুসলমান বা কোনো মানুষ ধর্ম কর্ম বর্ণ শেষে কোনো মানুষ যেন তারা দ্বারা নির্যাতিত না হয়, সবাই যেন সুরক্ষা থাকে। দেশ ও জাতির জন্য আল্লাহ সাহায্য দান করবে।